36, 450.
236.
Trying to get one stopped. 64 inbound to Augusta from White County. Adam King Frank, 50 William. Adam King Frank, 50 William. 36 County. I'm in pursuit. 64 through Augusta right now. Black Hyundai. Adam King Frank, 50 William. 1037.
10-4. Yeah, correct.
Speed's 90, 64, coming up the Highway 33 in Augusta, light traffic.
Coming up to Highway 33 in Augusta, light traffic.
Be advised, D36 is at pursuit on Highway 64 at this time, requesting assistance. Attention, all units, D36 is passing through Augusta.
Turning by the convenience store here off Highway 33 North.
I'm by the convenience store, Highway 33.
Dispatch, they just rammed into me.
Just rammed into you, 409.
Turned on 12th Street.
Turned on 12th Street.
103 County, we have to regular travel.
103, I'm possibly contact with them.
I'm on 12th Street. I'm on 12th Street. They got a flat. They just hit me. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Put your hands out the window right now! Leave your hands out the window. Do not move. Dispatch, I believe we ended up on 13th Street. If you could let the city know, I got one at gunpoint.
10-4, 13th Street, one at gunpoint, 410.
Leave your hands out the window. Hey, will you just hold on her? I'm gonna have to go to the passenger side. Her door won't open.
I got you. Don't you fucking move!
Keep your hands out the window. Is there anybody else in the vehicle? You can crawl out. And as soon as you crawl out, immediately lay down on the ground. Straight down to the ground. Straight down. Put your hands behind your back. Yeah.
It's just one.
All right, we're gonna roll you over to the side and help you out. Yep.
Sit up on your butt. 1, 2, 3.
What are you running for?
I feel safe.
Okay. You just put her in anybody's vehicle for a minute. Where's your ID at?
Where's your ID? She said it.
Dispatch, we're 1015. You can click on that.
10-4, 10-15, 7 minutes, 4:12 p.m.
Go ahead, sir.
Is your vehicle still operable?
Yes, sir, I believe. Mostly cosmetic.
can transport her on up there.
104037, 413.
You want to hold up?
Yeah, we can. I just, let me get her.
1040.
Y'all know who she is? I'm assuming she lives here.
At least you got a little bit of love there.
Yeah. I don't know who it returns to. I didn't get a chance to run it. Oh. What's your name?
SHAKEYA HOLMES.
Spell that for me.
SHA.
Okay.
KE.
K-E.
YA.
Y-A.
HOL.
H-O-L.
LES.
Okay, what's your date of birth?
February 6th, 99.
You got warrants or something?
No.
Your license good?
Yep.
Okay. Well, it's safe to say you're under arrest, okay? If you don't care, you can transport her up there. I'll be up there in a minute.
I'm going to take her over there.
You taking her up right now?
She says her license is valid. She has no warrants. She didn't feel safe. Yeah, oh yeah.